Okay, I'm ready for the announcement.
Introducing the role model.
A what? What is he?
A role model.
A role model. What's he a role model in? What happened to your booty? Whose idea was this?
I found 4 balls.
Well, my little darling. Does this make bad, Mommy? Because I'm videotaping this.
What if I really gassed real?
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Say goodbye.
Gassed real with this. No, when I lay.
Stop.
No.
Michael's trying to stop the madness.
He can't stop eating chocolate. That's what he can't stop. Living like this.
Did you guys all eat the Reese's peanut butter cups?
Or these two could be the.
I need to put those. So this is just fun with.
Let's do a different one.
Okay, now go up and do what I said to do. Okay, bye.